This is Michael. He's just had a shiny new CCTV system installed to protect his home. And this is Sarah. She manages a retail chain, all with CCTV systems for security and health and safety. Michael and Sarah could have their systems inspected once a year with an annual CCTV service agreement. However, traditional annual maintenance visits can only confirm their systems are working at the time of the visit. This requires Michael or Sarah to report a fault themselves, although far too often faults are discovered when it's too late. Instead, they have their systems remotely maintained by Nova Connected. This means that faults are detected 24/7 and are reported before they become critical. Weekly health status reports, access to the Nova Connected web portal, and being notified as faults occur is what gives Michael and Sarah the peace of mind they need. Nova Connected. Rely on your CCTV when you need it most. Find out more at novasec.co.uk.